Welcome to Overgo World, the channel for all things tech, vacations and holidays. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest videos. Today we're unboxing the Apple Watch Series 8 with the Gold Milanese Loop. Let's get straight into the unboxing. So inside we've got the Apple Watch, Gold Milanese Loop and the Apple Watch magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable. Unfortunately, the power adapter is not included, so you're going to need to budget for that separately if you don't have a spare one lying around. By the way, if you need to know how to attach your Milanese loop strap to your Apple Watch, then check out the quick and simple tutorial video on our channel. Let's have a look at the watch itself. So this is the Apple Watch Series 8 41mm gold stainless steel case. The case comes in two different sizes, 41 and 45mm, so you can get the correct fit for your wrist. There are also two material options for the case, stainless steel or aluminium. Depending on what you opt for in terms of the material, you can then further customize the overall look of your Apple Watch by choosing the finish. The aluminium case is available in midnight, starlight, silver and product red colours, whereas this stainless steel case comes in graphite, silver or gold. I have a video on the channel sharing how each of these different colour straps look on the wrist, so feel free to check that out. You can then decide which type of strap you want, including sport bands and loops as well as the Nike Sport Series, the Solo Loop, nylon, leather or stainless steel. In terms of compatibility, you're going to need an iPhone 8 or later model with iOS 16 as a minimum. The Series 8 comes with a bright 1000 nits always-on OLED Retina display. The always-on edge-to-edge display is something that Apple has also added to its new iPhone. If you're interested in seeing the newest features included with the iPhone 14, then you can check out my iPhone 14 Pro Max unboxing video on the channel. There is a crack-resistant sapphire front crystal on the stainless steel models and Ion-X front glass on aluminium watch models. If you watched my previous unboxing video for the Apple Watch Series 7 predecessor, you might remember that the Series 7 came with some brand new exclusive watch faces to go with its new larger display. Unfortunately, the new Series 8 does not include any new customizable watch faces. However, it does come packed with some cool new features. Apple have built out some of its health and wellness capabilities with the Series 8. Its suite of features now includes tracking and monitoring of your fitness activity, heart rate, ECG, sleep, blood oxygen, and its latest edition of temperature sensing to better help ladies track their menstrual cycle, a step forward for women's health. According to Apple, the Apple Watch is certified IP6X dust resistant, WR50 water resistant up to 50 meters and swim proof. The Apple Watch also has extensive safety features, including emergency SOS, international emergency calling, fall detection and crash detection with the high G accelerometer. The Apple Watch even supports family setup, where you can pair your iPhone with the Apple Watches of family members so that they can make phone calls and send messages, all without having their own iPhone. With all of this additional functionality, the Apple Watch still boasts great battery performance, as its built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery promises up to 18 hours of battery life. Low power mode has now also come to this latest Apple Watch, extending its battery life to up to 36 hours. Overall, some good health and safety upgrades for the Series 8. Arguably, the biggest change is the new always-on display, getting rid of the need to flick your wrist to wake the Apple Watch. Comment below for any future videos that you would like to see on the channel, for example how the Apple Watch Series 8 compares to the Series 7, or how the different Apple Watch 41 and 45mm sizes compare. Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.